going on, everybody? Got the Raging Rob here. Oh my god. So here's where they're burning all that debris, I guess. All that debris from the storm or whatever. They're burning it right there. I got the dollar store. The National Guard's over there. This is London, Kentucky, everybody. This is where I'm at. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. Just leveled that neighborhood. Holy shit. Got the Kentucky National Guard over there. Damn. Wow. My god. I just passing through London, Kentucky, so had a tornado about a week ago. Leveled the area. Wow.